Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is the last trading day of May. We do have the markets pulling back, though. So there is talk right now of more tariffs. Now, not with China this time. We're talking about Mexico. And so the idea, there was a tweet that was out yesterday that we're going to impose a 5% tariff on Mexico until we get this immigration issue taken care of. And until we stop seeing a lot of illegal immigrants coming into our country, we're looking to impose a 5% tariff, and that could jump to a 25% tariff at some point. And so we're looking at imposing these tariffs here by June 10th. And so the market giving back some of the rally that we've seen, kind of very nervous. Here we are getting ourselves into another trade war, and now with our bordering partners. So Mexico does buy a lot of grain from us, a lot of corn, meal, as well as beans. But a 5% tariff, is that going to be enough to find them or to give them to go somewhere else to find grain? We'll have to wait and see. But that is the biggest news right now. Yesterday's close, it was strong, it looked good, but we didn't take out the weekly highs. So you've got guys right now looking at making sales and putting stops in above the weekly highs. If we take out the weekly highs, that'll probably trigger the next round of buying as well. So we need to see where we go. Yesterday's close was strong, but then obviously things look a lot different here today. So we'll keep you guys posted there. Looking at the weather forecast moving into the next few weeks, it is still wet. Things in the next 1 to 5 days have dried out a little bit, but we kind of need to. But that 6 to 10 day forecast is still extremely wet for most of the Midwest, almost everywhere. And that's probably going to find some support underneath these markets at some point. And so as long as that stays in the forecast. We are expecting to see a very slow planning pace once again for next week. Where are we at next week? And that, I think, could be supportive as well as we go through go through today into the weekend. That expectation of a slow planning pace may give a little support to these markets as well. But right now, we're lower. Stock market's lower. The concern is that we're getting ourselves into a trade war again. And Mexico is the target this time, looking to impose a 5% tariff on June 10th. So give us a call if you guys have questions. Always here to help you guys out. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend, and we'll chat again with you next week. Take care.